Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7 of the AOC Advent of Code, me doing it, trying to anyway. Here I'm in a cave in Kenting National Park here in Taiwan, just enjoying the views. Hope you're not claustrophobic, but let's get to the following. Let's go. Yeah, the intro is a little bit wrong. I think I have my days all confused, but this is day 6, of course. I have everything set up. I'm a little bit earlier than usual because I came back to take a break after a hike, and this time I did not get stuck on the mountain. Am I ready? I mean, that's it. Let me know in the comments. I have made some improvements with the spread. The other way. And made my browser window slightly bigger. Let me know about the comments. Obviously, I'm trying to balance everything and still trying to work a setup out. Day 6. Am I ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. 5, 4, 3. Wait, did I? Why is this weird? What does previous segment means? Yeah, whatever. I think we're okay. Anyway, all right. There's some weirdness about this browser, but I mean the splitter, but the time splitter, but should be okay. All right, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Someone told me that I could triple click this, but all right, let's see. 7, 15:30. Oh, the distance. Okay. Man, I have to read this. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to skip through it, but then now I'm feeling a little bit. Alright. Hold the button sound and the post don't move until the button is released. For each version, hold down the button, the finger. Okay. I see. So 7, you never let go. So basically, what is 9 ways? Okay. I guess you can only do it for milliseconds at a time. I thought you could use floats, that's why I got a little bit confused, but okay, fine. Okay, let's all right, time is equal to input of 0. I have a scan numbers, okay. And distance here. Okay, okay. So, okay, how many ways we can beat this? Okay, so, okay, for TD instead of times distance, okay. For I range, so we hold on for 0 seconds all the way to t plus 1 seconds. You could even do in the same loop, but I'm not going to optimize that. Okay. Nope. Count 0, 0. Total 0, 0. 1. Right. Okay, so you hold on for I seconds. So it would be t minus I, or I seconds. So t minus I times I, right, is greater than d. 288, 511. Okay. What's the okay? Too slow. Okay, split. Alright, second time. It's only one race. Ignore the space numbers. Oh, okay. So then now instead, that's still not that big of a number, right? So, okay, let's see. Okay, so T00 for, I thought this would work, but hang on. Oh, it already is. Okay, I thought it may give me. Actually, that makes sense. 71503, so that works. Okay. All right. I mean, this was a pretty straightforward one. I want to say, if I have to guess, I think I would have made the leaderboard, but it would have been very close. What did I get on the first one? Maybe not, it seems like. I would have been barely missing top 100 on part 1, and part 2 I would have made the leaderboard by 83rd, 84th. So I would have made the leaderboard, but it would have been very, very tight. Could I have been faster? Yeah, I think so. I don't know what the 3 means. I guess I just kind of reset the thing as if. But yeah, I mean, I don't. Yeah, I don't. I think as a post-mortem, I'm trying to think whether I could have done better or faster anyway. I think the one thing that I had a minor confusion about is that I didn't think I didn't read it clearly enough, but I didn't know that you can only hold down. I thought it was going to be an optimization problem in which you would do like a binary search or something, right? Or either binary search or ternary search. That was the first thing that came to my mind. Was that okay? You have a time, you have a distance, you hold it for x, and then you could do a ternary search to find the local optima, local maxima. But and I didn't. I think the thing that gave me pause was understanding that you can only press it integer amount of time, because I in my mind, to be honest, I didn't think that you can only do it minute. I thought it would be whatever, and I think that's one thing that I would also add it as ask add as a tip is always look at your output or your input a little bit. I think my head and everything is blocking it, but you can actually see all of it. Very luckily on my time distance thing. So when I looked at my input, it's only, what is that? 8 digits, right? That's no, not you. Yeah, it's 8 digits. It's only 8 digits. Yeah, it's only 46 million, right? So it's 46 million. You don't like. I was just like, that makes no. This is a, yeah. It takes 3 seconds and it is using lazy Python. So yeah, if it's taking 46 million or whatever, it takes, and it does all of one. It does, an if statement with multiplication. So 46 million is nothing. I'm actually surprised it takes that long. It took that long, but yeah, pretty straightforward, I think, for the for loop. As I said, if you really want to optimize the max, you would do some ternary search. That's the first thing that would come to my mind, and that is the first thing that came to my mind. I thought it would be something with fractional. The way that they kind of phrase this maybe is a little bit weird, but maybe not. Maybe, I mean, also that said, I still haven't read everything, so I could be a little bit wrong. Because because I understood it, but I guess maybe I see. I guess you can also read this as that any fractional millisecond you take just doesn't increase any more time. So okay, I guess if you read it that way, it makes sense. But I think in the moment when you're rushing, when you're speeding, I didn't read it this way or necessary. Or I don't know if I read it at all, to be honest. I'm trying to speed through it, and it looks like, given the times, I pretty much have to. So it was just like I wouldn't say it's luck in the sense of luck, but it's just that it's luck in the sense that um, it's luck in the sense that sometimes you read it correctly a little bit, and you have to kind of, like I said in the past, right? For me to get on the leaderboard, I have to cheat a little bit on the time. I can't, like my average time is not going to be good enough for most problems, and that's just like a really hard problem, or not even a really hard problem, like a hard enough problem, but not a really hard problem. It's a really hard problem. I can't get it that fast anyway, but a decent hard, but not, but either way, like, yeah. And of course, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I don't really have anything to add to this one because this is just a for loop. This is my part one. This is my part two. You could see it, right? It's for loop. It's formula. Yeah. Let me know what you think. And part one is you go to part two, pretty much. You just have to kind of be able to concat the things together, and that's what I did. And I actually even spent a little bit of time debugging because I thought that I have to know my own API a little bit. I thought this would return a number instead of an array, so I had to do that. Because then this is the only thing I changed, which is actually pretty cool. And I would have gotten it faster. What's my sprint again? Yeah, a minute 40 is actually kind of feels a little bit bad for that one. Was it just reading? Let me double check again. No, I mean, I don't know. I don't get why I took a minute and 40 on that one. Maybe, I mean, minus the debugging. Maybe I'm just being silly. Oh well. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.